ngatidzidze izviito zvechishona, meaning let's learn Shona verbs.
Ini ndiri tariro. Ndiri kufamba.
Meaning I am tariro. I am walking.
Isu tiri kufamba, meaning we are walking.
Say it after us. Kufamba. Kufamba.
Ini ndini olu. Ndiri kumhanya.
Meaning I am Olu. I am running.
Isu tiri kumhanya, meaning we are running.
Say it after us. Kumhanya. Kumhanya. Indini Mia. Ndiri kutamba nebora. Meaning I am Mia. I am playing with the ball.
Isu tiri kutamba nebora. Isu tiri kutamba nebora. Isu tiri kutamba nebora.
Meaning we are playing with the ball. Say it after us. Kutamba. Kutamba.
Ini ndini Lia. Ndiri kudya banana.
Meaning I am Leah. I am eating a banana.
Isu tiri kudya mabanana, meaning we are eating bananas.
Say it after us. Kudya. Kudya.
Ini ndini Li. Ndiri kunwa mvura.
Meaning I am Lee. I am drinking some water.
Isu tiri kunwa mvura, meaning we are drinking some water.
Say it after us. Kunwa. Kunwa.
So here are the Shona's Vito or verbs we learned today. Kufamba meaning walking.
And Kumhanya meaning running. Kutamba meaning playing.
And finally, Kudya meaning eating. Kunwa meaning drinking.
Ooh, wait! Next Shona verbs are even cooler. Please don't miss them. See you next time.
The Shona Squad continues to grow daily. Please subscribe and be part of the journey.